Comrade John Maro was the embodiment of a patriot, a cadre of our revolutionary movement grounded in the commitment to the liberation of our country. Born in Paris in the Free State in 1825, in 1925, he found in the church both a spiritual home and a platform for organizing. In Alexander Township, he recruited youth to the ANC, sang hymns that shared space with freedom songs, and put his life on the line when the regime heightened its onslaught on the liberation movement. Detention without trial, solitary confinement, 12 grueling years on Robben Island. The scars he carried on his back were not only wounds, they were a testament of his resilience and dedication to the cause of our people. After release, the apartheid regime tried again to break him through banishment to Garankuwa and Mabopane, tearing him from his family's embrace. He stood tall,